My name is Dr. Jack from the city of Phnom Penh, Cambodia. This is my first time to joining with Sanibas Healthcare Center with a hybrid colposcopy training course. It is like a good experiences to joining the class with Dr. Priya Ma'am, and she is a well-known professor of expertise in colposcopy more than 30 years. So I'm very happy to joining the class with her. And in hybrid course, I observed that the two main things that I can learn. The first is about literature. So in the class, Priya Ma'am, she gives us like a good lecture that have a good explanation, sharing experience, and she is like a good teacher. That how that the way how she like she sharing the way she's sharing, she have a tactic to sharing an experience to the student. And one more thing, in hybrid course, I can practice in the Manikang, like hand-on how to do a leap, how to do an incisional ablation, how to do a thermal ablation in the Manikang, and of course, otherwise we have a chance to practice in the real patient for colposcopy, for like yes, it's a good experiences, and all of this make us clarify the colposcopy, and we have like a confidence to practice or to do on the real patient after we go back to our country. Yes, thank you so much.
My name is Dr. Lim, and actually I'm from Cambodia, in Phnom Penh City, and here is my first time in India, and I come from the hybrid colposcopy training course, and for me, to the training after I complete it, I feel more confident about the colposcopy practice than before, and I know more about the colposcopy training. Also, the literature that Dr. Priya give and teach to us is very meaningful and very helpful to me, because like before I know little about the colposcopy, but right now I can say that I know it a lot, and I know again about the experience that Dr. Priya share, and also the training that she touched us to practice in the real patient, and also on the Malakangs, and about the equipment or instrument that during the teaching, during the training, I can say is very complete set that I can know all of the colposcope training and all of the instrument in there. So overall, after complete this course, I can say that it is very meaningful and very helpful for me to this course, and I recommend all the doctors that who want to learn or to know about the colposcopic training, they should come here and learn with Dr. Priya in the Sanibas Hospital. Yeah, thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Dr. Zara Ansari. I hail from Muradabad, and I came here for learning the course of preventive oncology. I have listened the name of Dr. Priya Ganesh ma'am through the experienced senior faculty in Delhi. So I landed up here, and it has really changed my perspective. It has really given a new boom to the practice. It has changed all the previous treatments and approaches I was having, and has given me the correct approach and protocol to follow, and has given me confidence. And ma'am's teaching is very thorough and clear. She tries to make us understand in any possible way, She gives us experiences through her cases of past experiences, and we also got hands-on here. She allowed us to do colposcopy independently. She allowed us to do counseling to the patient. She has given hands-on on LEDs, cryotherapy, LEAP, and she has given all the reporting, how we should report. So my experience is very good. I am feeling confident about it. Now my fundas of cervix and white discharge are very much clear, and she is very cooperative, and she is ready to support anytime, and hope we go and extend her mission of preventing cervical cancer from India. Thank you.
I am Dr. Sangeeta Kandoi from Ambernath. I have my own 2 nursing home. I came here for colposcopy and preventive oncology training. I gained too much knowledge here, and I hands-on colposcope, and even I did the thermal ablation on patient, and what diagnosis to be done and how to do, and treatment also. We learn a lot here. Thank you, Priya madam.
Myself, Dr. Nisha Naruka. I have come from Jaipur, and I was doing a job in JNU Medical College, and as a professor, I retired from there in the month of February. And before that, also I did some IRC project in 2001, and did these procedures via Willi colposcopies and all. But after coming here to meet Dr. Priya Ganesh Kumar, I learned a lot here. So I learned a lot about the HPV infection, and in the detail about in HPV infection, which I was lacking behind previously. And I came to know the procedure and how to screen the patient, and how to take the biopsy, how to treat the patient, and how to talk to the patient. Counseling of the patient is very important, which I learned from the Dr. Priya Ganesh Kumar. And also about all the instruments. She told me about all the instruments, both colposcope, cryotherapy unit, thermal ablator, and LEAP apparatus, and other things. And she also gave us a hands-on on the patients. So we did the colposcopy, and it was a very nice experience. I am very thankful to Dr. Priya Ganesh Kumar, and she gave us the training about LEDs, cryotherapy, thermal ablation, everything, nets, and all the other things. She gave us all the things very in detail. So now I'll go to my place, and I want to this thing, whatever I gain from here, I want to do in my practice, and I want to serve my society also. So this was a great experience for me, and I'm the elder one in this group, but I came here all alone, and it was very wonderful experience with the madam. So I'm very thankful to the madam, and all the other staff is also very good. Shubhangi and Alokji, you also very helpful to us. So I'll try my best to do what I have learned from here. Thank you.
Good morning all. I'm Dr. Bushra Sini. I'm a consultant gynecologist from Aurangabad, Maharashtra, and I have come for this online and hybrid course, colposcopy course, to Priya madam for 15 days, and I have learned a lot from her. Like it's not about the content of the course, it's not only that, we have learned a lot many more things from madam, and it was totally worth it. Like everything she taught, right from the approach, right from the patient counseling, the history taking, what all points points you have to ask, what you have not to ask, how to dissociate, small things like how to dissociate HPV from sexually transmitted diseases, the importance of screening, the importance of vaccination, and all the guidelines, like everything. Like, since Priya madam is a master trainer for so many government programs, and she has been a pioneer in this field of preventive oncology, so she has given us a real insight. Like, it's not about training a batch of 8 doctors, it's about creating a change in the society per se. This is what I have felt. This I have felt in 2 days of the course only. The approach is totally different. After this 5 days of total hands-on, and we got to see a lot of cases, like all the things, all the complications, whatever cases ma'am has discussed in the theory lectures, we actually got to do it practically also. We could do scopies individually. Every one of us got cases to do. Plus, the procedures also were explained on the workstation and on the dummy pelvis. And hers is an excellent setup with an excellent supportive staff also. So everyone takes care that we get to learn the maximum from here. And it's like a total approach has changed, and preventive oncology has a way forward. It is not just that you are doing a social work. This has also been underlined by madam, and we saw all with the precision what she's doing, following all the guidelines. Like, we have to follow what guidelines she has given. She is one of the persons who has been in the committee for framing the guidelines for India. So I was totally, I had not expected this much. I came as a normal course candidate. I have to learn this thing, but I have learned a lot much more than what I have expected. And hands-on, and plus they are taking care ki even after we go back from here, so we are going to be associated with her, hopefully, and she'll be there to she'll be holding our hands till we get a grip of it. So thank you, madam, and thank you, Sai Nivas Healthcare, for all the good work that you have been doing and making a lot of difference to this field. Thank you.
Good afternoon. I'm Dr. Pritha Chaudhary. I'm presently working as assistant professor at Government Medical College, Haridwar. I got to know about this program of colposcopy through various sources, and I was planning to come to this training program for long. And throughout, I think each and every day has been years and years of learning. The pearls of wisdom given by ma'am, and that clinical correlation, and that difference in diagnosis, that was a really great point of learning. Here I started I planned to come here, and then I wanted to learn from basics, and we started off with the basics to the most advanced techniques. We started off with the very primary theoretical knowledge regarding cervix, HPV viruses, up till having an exposure to the most exhaustive Delmont's binoculars colposcopy, and regarding instruments, that very initially we used to use just Alice, forceps and everything, sponge holder, but here I came to know that every instrument has its own importance, and from sponge holding to endocervical speculum to even the forceps, Tischler's forceps used to take biopsy. Each and every instrument has a very significant role, and this training program has been an eye-opener, because I thought I'll come here and I'll learn about colposcopy and just few buttons, but I have been introduced to a world of preventive oncology, about which initially I never thought of. And here after being here in this training for 5 days, I realized that how important it is for as a woman to motivate other women for HPV vaccination and making them learn about their own cervical health and therefore helping our society. So I definitely look forward to put all that I have learned here to use at my college and try to give the same knowledge to the students so that they even know that there is a stream known as preventive oncology, and colposcopy is just not about viewing cervix, but it is a whole universe after that. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Pavni. I am from Visakhapatnam. I came to know about this course from a friend who was very much happy with the course. So the course went on in 2 halves, that is a hybrid course with online sessions first, which gave me the complete basic knowledge and scientific knowledge about the colposcopy and what will we actually learn from the second half of the course, that is offline course. Offline course is a complete practical hands-on course where we got to see hundreds of cases. We get the knowledge from the person who is legendary in this field for the past 20 to 25 years. So ma'am has summarized all the cases into few sessions in these 5 days. And hands-on is very good. They have divided it into mannequin, direct hands-on on the patient, and also on the chicken breast. So we got to do it on all these 3, and they ensured that all of us got confidence doing all these 3 things. Like we experienced directly cryo and also thermal ablation, leads procedures are also given hands-on, and that was a wonderful thing. Dr. Priya Ganesh Kumar, what to tell about ma'am? She is legendary, and she is a very wonderful teacher. She has guided us from the basics to the most experienced things, latest advances about preventive oncology, and raised our confidence how to practice preventive oncology. Thank you.